what's up. Now, today, I'm trying to find a rare species. That's really rare, I'm just gonna tell you that. It's a really foggy day outside. The birds are not chirping, but still, I like when I say that, and I just froze. We're out in the wild / Hypixel server, and we're about to kick some YouTuber bots. Step 1, you actually have to find the YouTuber, but it's kind of hard when you have a frozen Minecraft. Well, I guess we're not frozen anymore. Oh, floating random jumping name tags. That might give you a clue to where a YouTuber can be found. And indeed, we found one. We have found a new YouTuber. Step 2, gotta try and kill it. They cannot overrun me, as in I'm flying, so it's pretty hard to outrun me. I have his head on. They're really dangerous, and they can take their friends' heads and just bam, they can put them on your head, and then you can't really see that well. Man, he is failing at running right now. All of these hunters are just looking for him to kill him. Oh crap. Oh, he is good. Although I am the only one to catch up to him. And this has been Fighting the Wild. Thank you for watching the YouTube channel / the nature channel. Okay, yeah, bye.